Hello everyone, in this video we are going to watch how to make realistic photo studio in miniature version part 3. Let's get into this video. This is SKS miniature, make it simple but significant. As I told in part 2 video, I placed battery inside of junction box and attached the potentiometer inside. And I hope you guys that you like this door concept, cause I loved it. Please let me know in comment section if you do also. Done some painting work to the junction box and main control. Made some detailing work on lights and mains. Lights on and action. Believe me guys, it works as much as it can, which is professional. And I also took the picture by setting the model of Eames launcher that I made in previous video. You can find the link in description. And you know what guys, I didn't done any post credit work to this picture. This is as it has took from my normal mobile camera and it came out really well. What do you think guys? Let me know in comment section. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe button and ring that bell icon so that you can have notification for all my upcoming videos. And cut. Take okay.